This is an email AI workflow. It's a very simple workflow that we have built for creating draft for the important emails that I receive. So in this, the email can be anything. It has to, so you can maybe code for a particular thing that this kind of email will go from here, will be important. Ultimately, to draft the reply, you can't put it into a fixed set of words, right? For that, we are using AI node here, that is the Claude node over here. So what happens is, for a particular important email, it will create the draft reply. Then that draft reply would be put in the drafts part of the drafts part of the email. Okay, that is what it is ultimately. Okay, so I will execute this workflow so that you can see one by one like what is happening. Then it is getting the emails from my email ID. So it is through my inbox. It has basically taken in 19 emails, and then that is particularly converted into one particular set. I will just show you like what is happening. Okay, so we are ultimately getting 19 emails. If you see over here, only few of them would be important, right? What is happening is, in this particular code, so these 19 emails are going over here, but ultimately what is happening is, this particular code node, what it is ultimately doing is, this is particularly changing it into a format so that it can be, for example, if we are trying to put all these emails in a particular format, that is number one, which is important. That particular format should be able to understand by the AI node over that is there, right? It is the Claude node, right? So that's why we are generating the prompt over here, putting this data over here. If you see here, all these 19 items has to go to this particular prompt, and it has to understand also. Okay, so it is particularly putting it into a particular set. Okay, and let me just show you. So this is the prompt, and this prompt contains everything. If you see over here, all these emails are basically put into the prompts so that this Claude node, this should be able to understand what is happening. So it will read through all this. Okay, and after this, it will basically select top 3 of the emails, and then draft the reply for that. After this, it is ultimately basically sending it to a code node, which is converting these. So these are the 3 emails, right? It is ultimately changing it into a format Gmail can understand, it can send it. Okay, so it also has to be sent in the best way possible, right? So it is basically parsing this AI response for the email.